Okay, girls, this play is called 4, and my audio recording wasn't working, so I'm going to try it doing it over. So we'll see how this goes. So in this play, it's another 4 high, and it's a quick hitter. And we can run this on either side, either over here or over here. But for this example, I'll do it over on the right side. So to start this play, 1 is going to dribble to the right. And the whole design again with the 4 high is that we're trying to keep this open, the paint. So 1 dribbles high. She's going to stop about right here and make a pass. 4 is going to be right here, but 4 is going to jump to the ball and meet it right here. And as soon as 4 jumps to the ball, 4 is going to reverse pivot, and she's going to face, ignore all this going on all over here. She's going to face the hoop because the action that we want is going to take place over here. So again, 4 is going to jump out to the 3-point line and reverse pivot so she can see what's going on. After 4 catches the ball, 1's going to kind of fade over to the opposite side and honestly just kind of get out of the way. Same with 3 and keep their defenders over on this side. And as soon as this pass takes place, 2 is going to cut, and 5 is going to set a down screen. And as 2 cuts, they're going to make like this little hook, and we're hoping that they catch it right here for either a reverse layup or a little jump hook. Now, this is kind of a timing thing in that when 2 is here, that pass has got to take place so that she can catch it here and the defender won't be right on her. Because the defender will be chasing her, we want 2 to have time to catch it and then not have a defender. If we wait till 2's here and throw it, the defender will be right there, and that kind of defeats the purpose. So again, we can run this on both sides, but it should be a really good play and a good option for us.